Most certainly, the engage, explore, and explain sections of the 5E lesson plan are the most important. And now that we've talked about those, let's move on to the elaborate portion. Elaborate means when the teacher makes some kind of real-world connection of the lesson to the real world, or adds some kind of new twist or layer to the investigation to take it that one step further, add that new perspective, add maybe a new problem to the task that you've given them. Now, the extension portion, as you see from the cyclical arrows we drew between explain and elaborate, this portion of the class sometimes is already part of the investigation or part of your explanation. It does not have to be its own separate component following the explanation component, but that is another option you have at your disposal. As long as somewhere in your lesson plan you're making those connections. I think the best way to show you what I mean by extension and elaboration is to go through a couple different kinds of examples. So we're going to look at three quick ones. The first one is a short, simple extension. In this video clip, Yvonne is going to center an extension discussion around the simple question of how can we make our animal house stronger?